since the new Bob Marley movie is out, I decided to get this hat from the thrift store and shock my sister. Watch this. What you think, Rasta man?
All right, yeah, man. That's
Yeah. One love, man.
One love, okay.
One love, man.
All right.
I say right on time.
It was such a beautiful day last Sunday. I wanted to take my mom and sister out for a nice time. We went to the thrift store first because, as you know, my mom and sister loves the thrift store. And afterwards, we went out to eat seafood. And as we were looking around the thrift store, on one of the shelves was a hat with some dreadlocks hanging underneath, and it had One Love on it. And it was such a cute little Rasta hat, I had to put it on and make my mom laugh.
That's right on time.
This was meant to be. I had to buy this hat. It was only $2.99. And like my mom said, it was right on time. But it was so ironic that I ran across this hat because my sister had just given me her favorite Bob Marley backpack that she wanted me to make a new backpack with, and I was super excited to make it for her. And I'm excited to show you guys what I made for her. She sent me a picture of her laying on the Zion Rock, which is a painted rock, and legend has it that the artist would meditate there and lay down and write songs on it. And she actually laid on the same rock, which I thought was really cool. It's also said to be the location where Bob Marley and his mother were laid to rest. So I'm about to grab the scissors and start cutting this backpack up so I can make something really cute that my sister's going to love. First, I grabbed a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and I just curved the edge, the corner, just so that way I can round the top of her backpack. I'm going to use this piece of paper as the pattern piece to cut out Bob Marley's face. I cut the name off because I'm going to use that to make the handle for her backpack. And I love repurposing old bags that I had laying around that I wasn't doing anything with. So I took some of the black corduroy off of that bag to use it on her bag. And I added a zipper to the front of her bag. I thought that would be a cool feature so that way she could throw her phone or her keys in the front of the backpack. I will have videos linked to the description of this video if you need help with adding zippers, adding gussets, making straps, all the things that you need to do to make a cool backpack. I'll have some of the other videos that I've made to help you with these processes. After I added the zipper to the front of the bag, I took a measuring tape and measured around the entire bag so that way I can get the measurements for the gusset. And some red leather left over from the Tandy leather store, so I used that for her D-ring attachments. And then I just used the Bob Marley name to make the handle. And then I'm going to put all of the bag layers together, sew all around them. I'm going to cover the raw edges of the inside of the bag with a little bit of black cotton fabric just to cover up the raw seam on the inside. Corduroy makes a lot of mess, so I use my little lint roller to get rid of all the little pieces of fabric all over. Now let's turn it inside out, see what we have, and complete the straps. I folded the bottom of the padded strap inward, and then I just inserted the cotton webbing strap inside of the padded strap. And then I sewed across each end just to secure the padded strap onto the cotton webbing strap. And to make the strap adjustable, I added an adjustable tri-glide just so that way she can adjust the straps if she wants to. My sister truly is an amazing person, and I really wanted to do this for her because I know she really loves this backpack, and it was so special to me because I know how much she loved this backpack and how many places she's taken it around the world. So I hope she can take this new backpack around the world to many more places. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to make something new and beautiful with some of your old backpacks or old items that you have laying around. We definitely enjoyed ourselves after we went to the thrift store. We went to a place called Smitty's, and we had a really good time and enjoyed some crawfish. My mom had a soft shell crab, and it was amazing. And I'm just so happy to be able to spend time with my family. It was such a good time, but the backpack was definitely a great success, and I know she's gonna love it. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I'll see you in the next one.